Into the fifth sum, 3.18, fifth sum matrix, 10th standard. Given that A matrix, B matrix, C matrix. The A matrix is 2 by 2 matrix, and then B matrix is 3 by 2 matrix, C matrix is 2 by 3 matrix, and C again 2 by 3 matrix. You have to solve that. Verify A into B plus C equals to AB plus AC. That is distributive law. You might have learned, is it not, distributive law? Alright. And also associative law, right? That means how will you write? Just first do the left hand side, okay? A into B plus C. What is A into B plus C? First find it. Write A matrix first, 1, 3, 5, minus 1. Then addition with, let us multiply with B plus C. B and C both are same, 2 by 3 order. So for addition and subtraction, the two matrices should be of same order. See here, A and B different, but B and C is same order. So you can add it directly. You can add the B and C matrix. So what is it? B plus C, 1 plus 1. You write it here, 1 plus 1. Then minus 1 plus 3. Third column element, 2 plus 2. Then second row, 3 minus 4, 5 plus 1, 2 plus 3. So this is of order 2 by 3. A's matrix is of order 2 by 2. Now give the answer for this. 1, 5, 3, minus 1. This is your A matrix. Here again B plus C is answers you write. 1 plus 1. Here 3 minus 1. Again 3 minus 1 is 2. Right? 5 plus 1, 6. 2 plus 2, 4. Again 2 plus 3, 5. So this is product here is possible because the column element and row element are same here, not elements. One of the rows and one of the columns are equal. Here column and the row both are 2 and 2 equal. So you will, product is possible. That is A multiplied by B plus C. You can do it. So the resulting matrix will be of order 2 by 3. That means 2 rows and 3 columns. There will be 3 columns, 2 rows and then 3 columns, 2 by 3. The resulting will be of order 2 by 3. So first multiply. How will you multiply? A row with first matrix row and the second matrix column. Like that only you have to multiply. So first element will be a row and a column. First row element and first row column. First column element. Multiply 1 into 2. 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. Again 1 into 2, second column. Now we are going to do the second column elements. 1 and 2, 3 and 6. 2, 18, add it. Then first row with third column element, that is 4 and 5, right? That you have to multiply now. 1 with third element, third column, 4 and then 5 into 3, 15. Both you have to add it. Then again second row with first column. Write it in the second row you have to fill up now. Right? Column elements you have to fill up. For that you multiply a row with the column and multiply and write. 5 into 2, 10. Minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1. Again here 5 into 2, 10. Minus 1 into 6, minus 6. Again 5 into 4. Third column, we are going to do now third column. 5 into 4, 20, minus 1 into 5, minus 5. Okay, what is the answer now? Minus 1, 11, 20, 4, 19, 15. That is your A plus A into B plus C. So let it be the first equation. Okay, mark this as first equation. Now shall we do with the next? What is the right hand side? AB plus AC. You have to do now A multiply B. Thus we will have the answer alone, okay, for verification. Now right hand side. First AB do it. What is it? 1, 3, 5, minus 1. Product with B. 1, minus 1, 2. 3, 5 and 2. So product is possible or not? This is 2 by 2 matrix. B is again 2 rows, 3 columns. Here the column element and the here that row, A elements, the column is A is a matrix column and B matrix row, both are equal. So the resulting matrix will be of order 2 by 3. That means 2 rows and 3 columns. 2 rows and 3 columns. So that only you are going to fill up now. Okay. What are the 2 row elements and the 3 column elements you are going to multiply and write. Now how will you multiply? 1 row with 1 column. 1 row with 1 column. 1 into 1, right? 3 into 3. Both you have to add it. Again 1 into second column element. Minus 1. Again 3 into 5. Okay, then first row with the third column element. For to get the third column element, you multiply with the third column. A row with third column. 1 into 2, 3 into 2. 2 plus 6. Then again second row elements you have to fill in. For that first column, second row with first column. 5 into 1. Minus 1 into 3. Then second column you have to fill up. So row with the second column element. 5 into minus 1. Minus 1 into 5. Then third column element you have to fill up. So third column, fully row, fully column and multiply. 5 into 2. 10. Right? Minus 1 into 2. That is minus 2. Okay. Now add the elements. What you will get? First element 10. Second here 2. This one 14. This one minus 10. 8, 8. This is what your AB. Now same like that, find it for BA. BA means that B should come first. B matrix should come first. Then multiply with that A. 1, 3, 5, minus 1. No, AB with AC. Not BA. With AC. A should come first and then C. Okay. AB and AC only given, no? Verification, right hand side, write AC. A matrix multiply with C again, 2 by 3 matrix. 1, minus 4, 3, 1, 2 and 3. This is possible or not? First check up. Product is possible or not? Check it. Here A matrix is 2 by 2. B matrix, C matrix is again 2 rows, 3 columns. So here the column and the row equal. So the resulting will be of order 2 by 3. That means 2 row and 3 columns. 2 row and 3 columns. So we will write it on the last. Minus 1, 11, 20, 4, 19 and 15. Okay, we will write this answer, first equation. Okay, here last. Now we will do the multiplication for AC. How will you do? So the resulting will be of 2 by 3. That means 2 rows and 3 columns. The elements you multiply, right? A row with a column. So first element, first row, first column element multiply. For the first column, no, 1 into 1, right? 1, 3 into minus 4, that is 12, minus 12. Then 1 with the second column elements, 1 and 3, 3 and 1. So 3 plus 3. Then third column, last, 1 into 2, 3 into 3. Add it. Okay, the next one again 5, second row with first column. 5 plus 4. Second row, second column. 5 and 3, 15. Minus 1 and 1, 1. Second row, third column. 5 into 2, 10. Minus 1 into 3, that is minus 3. So answer for this one is minus 11, 9, 6, 16, 11, 7. This is 15 minus 1, no? Second row, second column, 15 minus 1, right? 14. Right, now do it. What is it? AB plus AC. Noted all of you? Write AB plus AC now. Shall we dust this first one? This side column we will dust it. So your AB result, then AC result you have to add it. So this is what your AB result. 10, 2, 14, minus 10, and then 8, 8. This is your AB result. Add with the AC result. What is the AC here? You have AC, right? Minus 11, 9, 6, 14, 11, 7. So addition. That is, addition is possible only if the orders are same. So here AB is also 2 by 3, AC is also 2 by 3. Now add the column elements. 10 minus 11. That will give you, right, 10 minus 11. Then 14 plus 6. Column you multiply. Okay, 8 plus 11. Again 2 plus 9. Minus 10 plus 14. Then last will be 8 plus 7. So what is the answer you are getting? Minus 1, 20, 19, 11, 4, 15. So which is your second? Now check with the 1. So what is your 1 here? Minus 1, 11, 24, 19 and 15. So this 1 and 2 both are equal. So what can you say? Left hand side and right hand side are equal. So hence what can you say? A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. So verify. That is what you have to do. Verify. Verify.